Hi, I'm Tembeka from Yizo.com. The saddest news of today, Safta award-winning actor Lindiwe Ndlovu has passed away today, January 11 of 2021, at the age of 44. Her death was confirmed by her close friend she was staying with, Tumelo Ngwalaze, and her longtime agent, Lion Hinking. She passed away at her home while she was sleeping. She started sick this morning at 3 a.m. She featured in Lockdown, Stokvel, Zabalaza Egoli, Khalidumel, and Home Affairs. According to her family, she had just celebrating her 44th birthday on Friday. Sadly, this morning she passed away. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button to be the first to see when I upload it.